I will now introduce the expert panel and the speakers differently. We wanted to have a session with certain speakers and we requested them, and they are now right now with us on stage. And Manan has graduated to this level over a period of time. We had IIA meetings, and those meetings we used to call the experts and we used to discuss. There were certain dimensions of this smart city that we were observing in newspapers, especially the meetings that were called by municipal corporation at various point of time, and it was observed that we are having certain kind of illusion about this term, that is smart city. Well, everybody is aware that smart city initiatives were derived from influences, Western influences, and with certain requirement as of now needed by Indian government for urban planning measures that could replace JNMR because of certain things which were observed. There are too many dimensions and there are too many observers to it. So we are having smart city in an entirely different perspective from one person to another. We also observed very important thing was that academicians and common man had entire different course of understanding as far as the smart city is concerned. Common man was in aggression. He felt that he should be provided with all these services, amenities, with whatever that comes, and what was it was smart city. So smart city was expected to deliver all that was not being delivered in especially the cabinet.
दोनों जन एक ये कैमरा लेके बैठेंगे, एक वो कैमरा लेके बैठेंगे, तब तक हम तक काम करवाएंगे, हम थोड़ी देर आके बैठ जाया करेंगे, हम इसको भी आप बोल दिए लड़के से बोल दिए कि यहाँ आके बैठ जाए, हम कुर्सियाँ रखवा दे रहे हैं।
Smart city concept in his area by his personal initiatives, and he has reached to a level where I think he should showcase that to the public. Purari sir, I came to know about him in certain meetings that we had in
ऐसा है, सर ने बोला है कि तुम और फरीन दोनों जन यहाँ बैठ जाओ, ठीक है, यहाँ पे, हाँ यहाँ बैठ जाओ, और सर की अभी स्पीच चल रही है, ठीक है, उनकी वीडियो बनाती रहो, हाँ विनय सर वीडियो बनाती रहोगी 2 घंटे की, ठीक है, और हर वीडियो के बाद नाम लिखोगे कि परफॉर्म करवा, ठीक है, उसको भी ले।
Prashant sir, we all know, he has enlightened us so often, especially regarding Indian urban planning. Indian urban planning is in context of what it means as Indian urban planning. And Alka Bharat ma'am is one person I've seen that she covers a huge spectrum of what we call as research and studies. When you talk to her, you get down to so much of detail, finer detail from one to another, and then you reach a level where you say, okay, then you understand the situation, what is happening actually in the ground, not what is read and what is told. In expert panel, we have Subhashi sir. Subhashi sir is basically, he has served many important chairs in government offices. And what I felt was that he is aware of all the nitty-gritty of the policies that the government has, especially from the policy making perspective of a scheme, starting from that special township to the rules of town planning to the making of bylaws and whatnot. So he has that entire know-how regarding the what actually the consequent built-up form is going to be in urban make, in our urban make. Now he heads BTS, so he has a greater picture in terms of what he intends to do in terms of our townships as provided by government. Jagdish sir has over the period of time been very available in terms of research, especially pertaining the modern design in urban sector, and his exposure has been very valuable to all of us so far. Rashi Sahai has come to us from Delhi and he is an expert on smart cities. And the idea of today's gathering was that we'll have the session from the speakers, experts will note and then they'll comment, and then finally our chief guest will comment from his perspective of governance what exactly is understood by smart city. There are other dimensions of this event, one of which is a research study, for which a research paper would be provided to you, in which you have to fill that form, just as a survey that we have been doing for last 3 years for smart cities. Then there is a display on my right hand side. This is done by young architects, and we have to reward them for their good efforts. 2 of them will be honored today here. So I'll start the session by requesting Dr. Alka Bharat to start her session. Yes.